Hi everyone, my name is Marcello Rizzi. I'm one of the two founders of ProssimaIsola. The other one is Daniele Idini. I and Daniele are very good friends. We were classmates and Daniele was even the best man at my wedding. We have been working in the IT sectors since many years, and here are many of the companies we have worked with. Last year, I and Daniele both resigned from our jobs, moved back to Sardinia, our island, and founded ProssimaIsola, our professional dream since we were young. We were fueled by the WhereIsNow idea. WhereIsNow is going to make it easy for you to update your information, your contacts, your internet link, your documents. Let's see what problems WhereIsNow solves.
Say hello to Sammy Peppernick, partner in the consulting firm of Salt & Peppernick. You may wonder why Sammy is sitting in a boat surrounded by an ocean of digital documents. You see, Sammy began his journey a few hours ago. He was hoping to find the most recent version of his company's financials, which are kept in a spreadsheet file that's shared between departments. And Sammy wound up here, dazed, with a line in the water, fishing among countless similar-looking files and dozens of computers in a futile quest to find the most up-to-date financial report. Let's just say Sammy's getting that sinking feeling until along comes WhereIsNow, the revolutionary new web service that puts the most recent version of any digital document in Sammy's hands at a moment's notice. Here's how WhereIsNow works. Sammy sets up an account. This establishes his publisher identifier information or key that gets inserted into each document that Sammy deems important, along with its own unique document identifier key. In Sammy's mind, these identifier keys serve to kind of magnetize important files that he wants to track. When people need to locate the most recent up-to-date version of a file, they perform a search with WhereIsNow's intuitive engine, and presto magnetico, up pops the address to the location of that document. Okay, so there are no magnets, but a hovercraft? Maybe. WhereIsNow works with any file type: still images, video files, audio files, document files, spreadsheet files, and PDFs. The list goes on. Sammy is happy because his firm also serves as a publisher of important documents to clients, making for a pipeline of document flow, ensuring that clients always have the most up-to-date version of information at their fingertips, even if these documents have undergone numerous revisions. This saves time. No more hours lost in frustration with lost fishing expeditions. Wow. And it's great for cell phones. Sammy got the address key from a woman he really liked a while ago. When she changes her cell phone number and contact info, Sammy gets the update instantly. So Sammy tells his friends about WhereIsNow, and people flock to the site to set up their account. And a few people look to the sky, waiting for that giant WhereIsNow hovercraft to appear. WhereIsNow? You want it? You search it. Got it? Create your account at whereisnow.com today.
Okay, let's see who can benefit from WhereIsNow and who the target customers are. There are three categories of customers. The first category is represented by those who need to provide a self-updating document. This new kind of document is able to automatically update itself to the latest available version every time you use it with just one click. Potential customers are medium and large companies, lawyers, regulation authorities. The second category is performed by who needs to provide an evergreen link. An evergreen link is an URL that is valid forever, even if the target document has been renamed or moved to a new location. No more not found pages while surfing the web. Potential customers are social network users, webmasters, bloggers. The third category is performed by those who need to use a self-updating contact. This new kind of contact permits you to provide to your friends and colleagues your updated contact information exactly in the moment they need it, and to receive from your friends and colleagues their contact information exactly in the moment you need it. Potential customers are people who work on the public relations sector, press, medium and large companies, students. In all these cases, there are people who manage a lot of contacts or who change their contact information very frequently. But all of us need to avoid struggling to find the new updated email address or phone number of one of our ex-colleagues, for example. WhereIsNow is a solution which can apply to every kind of information. So we have to compete with many great companies already present on the market. Knowledge Tree and Documentum are the most important document management systems on the market. They are products which store documents, while WhereIsNow store addresses. WhereIsNow simply provides you the address where the updated available version of your document is now. So we are an additional or alternative solution to traditional document management systems. WhereIsNow provide addresses. Who else, except for WhereIsNow, provide addresses? Search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing, shared bookmark services like Dig and Delicious, URL shortener services like Trim, Bitly, and many, many others. Each one of these services provide addresses, but no one of them provide an evergreen link. And in order to avoid struggling to find a new email address of one of our friends, you can now use services like Plaxo or Unique. WhereIsNow is different from these services. And the main difference is that with WhereIsNow, you are free to store your contact information on your home PC or on your company server. I want to highlight this aspect because consider the case of a company. With WhereIsNow, this company can still provide self-updating contacts while preserving its data. WhereIsNow is a service provided by ProssimaIsola, and we want to spin it out and create a new company named WhereIsNow. We'll transfer our international patent deposit, PCT, our trademark, and obviously the service itself to this new company. And we are still in beta version, and we can instantly grow thanks to our cloud computing infrastructure. We'll generate revenues by selling premium services and WhereIsNow as a product. At the moment, each registered user has a limit of 50 documents. In order to manage more than 50 documents with a single account, she or he has to subscribe a premium service. But I remind you that we want to target mainly the business sector. So a company can choose to use our premium services or to install WhereIsNow as a product inside their internet. We planned a total investment of about €1 million, split in 3 areas: marketing, new developments, customer service. €1.5 million to hire bloggers and evangelists, to promote WhereIsNow on the press, to start an important advertising campaign, and to make all the needed translations for the main markets. €300,000 to extend the number of the plugins of WhereIsNow, to implement our billing infrastructure, and to provide WhereIsNow as a product. €200,000 to extend our intellectual property and to create a strong customer service. With all these investments, we predict, will generate a total revenue of about €5 million on the 3rd year after the investments, with a total number of active users of about 1.5 million. To all these registered users, WhereIsNow will provide the solution to share a TD app, always updated information, everywhere they are, anytime since, in every format, whatever they contain, and with all the people they want to. Thank you.
Right in time, perfect. Now it's time for questions.
What the user needs to do to make the system work?
Yes. Users, generally, the end users, in general, probably can just only install the application, the numerous plugins for example, we have developed plugins for Adobe Reader, for OpenOffice, Office. We are on mobile phone for Nokia to manage your address book on your mobile phone, and this application will be delivered in the next weeks. And no other things to do. If you want to publish documents, or if you want to access a reserved information on WhereIsNow, you have to register on WhereIsNow, create an account. And this is all the things you have to do. If we target instead companies or public institutes, we'll provide also solution inside their internet. Okay, so there is also WhereIsNow as a product.
Question?
I'm very curious about how you keep, for example, the synchrony of the documents. Suppose that because there is an aspect to this, it has to do also with the fact that two people may update the document at the same time and all of that, which standard document management system take care of, right? So that's one question. Second one is that if you want to update, for example, telephone numbers and all of that, some of the people may not want you to have their latest phone number. So there is a privacy issue and the request of letting this information be known to the others. And third question is that, do you need everybody to be connected to your, in other words, if you're not connected through WhereIsNow, do I have access to your data, or both parties have to be connected in WhereIsNow?
The first question, can you remind me? Synchronization. It's synchronization. I want to highlight a target point, a main important point. WhereIsNow is not a way to edit at the same time. People cannot edit the same document at the same time. It's not a competitor, for example, of Google Docs or Knowledge Tree or others. There is a mechanism of publish, and is the publisher who is really interested to provide and to make a sign of that version of the document to say that that version is really the latest version. So is the publisher who trusts the document. And I want to make an example. A catalog list with all prices and descriptions. Probably inside the company, many people are working on the same catalog. But when a new version of the catalog is provided to the market, then the publisher make a sign. And all people around the world who already have the first version of this catalog can update it with just one click. Very simple. The second is the case of privacy. On WhereIsNow, all information can have 4 levels of sharing. Public, because probably some documents you are really happy to spread away as much as possible. Reserved to all WhereIsNow users, and this is made to provide also marketing information to this company. If I am a manager in a company and I want to know who is reading my documents, this is the way to use WhereIsNow. And then there are 2 other levels, closed list and open list. These are you can define a list of email, a list of account of people on WhereIsNow. In the closed list, this is closed. No, you can only add people to this list to add new grants. Open list is, I think we have planned in particular for mobile phones. You define a starting list, but every time someone asks for your information, you will be notified that he has done this request. And you can decide to accept or deny this request. So all the information are already preserving all the options preserving the privacy.
Okay, we have time for a final question, if any. Last one.
You are looking for an investment, maybe for a venture capitalist. What if a software house proposed to be partner from your company?
For me, it's not important the way to extend the success of WhereIsNow. I and Daniele made many effort to start this idea. We both resigned from our jobs. And a company, a software house, is a very interesting solution for us. But we want also to empower this aspect while providing our API. At the moment, WhereIsNow is a web service. Every developer in the world can develop its plugins for WhereIsNow. Inside there, for example, document management systems or mobile phone applications, or anywhere there is an information that can be updated.
Okay, perfect. Now it's time